Improve your handwriting. Improve your handwriting. How much is that? How much is that? This is not a joke. This is not a joke. I am very pleased to meet you. I am very pleased to meet you. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? What did you say? What did you say? I don't want to. I don't want to. Put the books in order. Put the books in order. You must stop being the follower. You must stop being the follower. I am feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. I have to leave early today. I have to leave early today. I feel much better. I feel much better. He became bankrupt. He became bankrupt. Where are you from? Where are you from? Everything is fine. Everything is fine. I did not understand. I did not understand. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. Who is your favorite teacher? Who is your favorite teacher? I will come again. I will come again. Will you please help me with this? Will you please help me with this? The holidays will begin from May 10th. The holidays will begin from May 10th. Why are you late? Why are you late? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? Speak what is true. Speak what is true. Walk carefully. Walk carefully. I am very strict on this matter. I am very strict on this matter. All my calculations went wrong. All my calculations went wrong. Is all good? Is all good? I don't agree. I don't agree. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm sorry to interrupt you. I like fairly hot tea. I like fairly hot tea. What is going on? What is going on? You will not be able to deal with him. You will not be able to deal with him. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. You're everything to me. You're everything to me. No, thanks. I'm okay. No, thanks. I'm okay. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. He's coming soon. He's coming soon. I don't speak very well. I don't speak very well. Not at all. Not at all. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. That's better than ever. That's better than ever. I'm fed up with it. I'm fed up with it. I hope I see you again. I hope I see you again. You are precious. You are precious. It's useless to argue with you. It's useless to argue with you. Where did you go? Where did you go? Can you fix it? Can you fix it? She surprised me. She surprised me. Keep a seat for me. Keep a seat for me. Don't say to his face. Don't say to his face. Get to the point. Get to the point. When do you get up? When do you get up? How much do you earn? How much do you earn? Come on, get into the car. Come on, get into the car. Are you on Facebook? Are you on Facebook? Don't tell others. Don't tell others. She is in her early 20s. She is in her early 20s. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? I get up late in the morning. I get up late in the morning. You will regret it later. You will regret it later. Do you need something? Do you need something? What is this called? What is this called? Never mind. Never mind. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. Get to work. Get to work. Have another one. Have another one. What does it mean? What does it mean? You have to work harder. You have to work harder. Your voice is as sweet as honey. Your voice is as sweet as honey. The fault was yours, not mine. The fault was yours, not mine. When did this happen? When did this happen? Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. She began to laugh. She began to laugh. Is there anything special? Is there anything special? I have a mild fever. I have a mild fever. My stomach is upset. My stomach is upset. It's not like that. It's not like that. Do it right away. Do it right away. Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from? I did nothing of that sort. I did nothing of that sort. I will go mad. I will go mad. It's very kind of you. It's very kind of you. The fan is blowing hot air. The fan is blowing hot air. Did you hear? Did you hear? He is an only child. He is an only child. It's stinking. It's stinking. What should I eat? What should I eat? It's obvious. It's obvious. She just turned 6. She just turned 6. How disgraceful. How disgraceful. It doesn't make any difference. It doesn't make any difference. It's fascinating. It's fascinating. Be right back. Be right back. I will call you later. I will call you later. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. I have no idea. I have no idea. Are you there? Are you there? Talk to you later. Talk to you later. I am not sure yet. I am not sure yet. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my new videos.